Okay, my wife and I are picking up our new ramp truck, and it's a beauty. Do you want to be in the video?
If you want.
Yep. This is my great new friend here, Anthony, of course, hooked us up.
Beautiful 25,
Yeah.
1500 Bighorn with the
Yeah.
torque, of course.
It's fantastic, really.
Beautiful color Ford.
It's a beautiful truck.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we've had our Forester for many years. Served us very well. This is going to be a new start for Candace and I. New addition to doing some other things. It certainly is a beautiful truck. Wow, beautiful. Fantastic. Really excited. Today is the 9th. June 9th, 2025. Going down in history. All right. Okay, wife and I just got home with our new truck, parking it at our house. It's a beauty. Can't thank Guardiola enough, and Anthony, Aaron, and everybody there was fantastic. Very professional, very nice people. Couldn't ask for more. Really fantastic. Really awesome. Doing this for our records. Monday the 9th. Wow, we had a beautiful truck. Wow, it's a beauty. I love it, I really do. Wow, beautiful. Really fantastic. Love the way it drives, the way it rides. It's just very composed, very stable. It's our first truck, Candace and I. Well, besides my Ranger, which I had before when she and I met. This is my first 1500 full-size truck. It's a beauty. I absolutely love it. I really do. Here, let me get a picture of the front here. Awesome.